Welcome back to S&S Contracting, and we're cooking with S&S again. Today we're going to make some homemade mayonnaise. There's a couple different ways of doing it, but this is the recipe I'm going to be doing today. So let's try this and hopefully it comes out right, because you know how I do stuff. It always does come out right. So you take one large egg, make sure it's clean, and you drop it in. I'm kind of using a blender cup. If you have a immersion blender, it works pretty good, or whatever you want to call it. Or you can use a food processor. But if you use food processor, use the smaller bowl. Okay, sometimes I do the egg first and just whip it by itself, and then other times I add everything together, except for the oil, and then blend it. Okay, so what we will need is one large egg, 1 teaspoon of mustard, or about 1.5 to 1 tablespoon, not teaspoons, my bad. 1 tablespoon of mustard, or Dijon mustard, depending on which one you want to use. Or I usually use dried mustard, and I use 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of dried mustard. Sometimes a little bit more. Today I'm using about 2.5. Let's see. Need 1 tablespoon white vinegar, or you can use white wine vinegar or red wine vinegar. It's up to you. I just like to use white vinegar. You'll need a 4 tablespoons of fine sea salt, 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil or olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, regular, or you can use the concentrated stuff also. And the lemon juice is optional, but to me it usually gives it that little bit of a tang, but not too tangy. And when we go through this, I'll go through with some stuff that I do a little bit differently.